Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Wear gloves and eye protection and work on a cool vehicle to avoid burns or glass cuts. Park the Kia Sportage on level ground, set the parking brake, and switch off the ignition. Place the key in your pocket. Have a replacement 12-volt brake light bulb and basic hand tools ready before you start so you don't interrupt the procedure. Open the liftgate and remove any cargo blocking the tail lamp access area. Allow about 10 to 15 minutes for the entire change once the tail light access is exposed. Open the liftgate and remove the tail trim fasteners to access the lamp housing. Use a trim tool or screwdriver and keep fasteners in a safe place. Reach into the housing, grasp the bulb socket, and twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it straight out to release the old bulb. Do not yank the wiring. Carefully pull the old bulb from the socket by straight traction. Then inspect the socket and wiring for corrosion or damage before inserting a new bulb to avoid a repeat failure. Insert a new 12-volt brake light bulb firmly into the socket and reinstall the socket into the housing, twisting clockwise until it seats securely. Avoid touching glass with bare hands. Test the new bulb by pressing the brake pedal while an assistant or a reflective surface confirms illumination, and ensure the bulb glows bright without flicker. Reassemble the trim, secure all fasteners, and dispose of the old bulb safely in a puncture-assistant container. Check the other bulbs and clean the lens to maintain visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.